back to my channel. I am so excited for this video today. The Rain on Me video by Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande came out this morning and I was like, oh my god. They look stunning and the whole thing was just amazing. And I've watched it like 3 times because I really like all of the makeup and hair and everything that they put into it. So I wanted to recreate this look for you, as you can see. The song is so happy and uplifting. It's definitely the kind of song that I play on repeat because it just makes me feel good. But let's get into the video because this was quite a journey to get here. I know it's not perfect, but it was definitely fun. Dude, can you guys stop driving by when I'm trying to film? Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the basics. I'm going to use the foundation that I always use, which is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation. Yes, I always forget the name of this. This color is 128 Warm Nude, but I change shades all the time, which is kind of frustrating. For the most part, her makeup looks pretty basic. Nothing too crazy, so I'm just gonna do my makeup really quick. I'll show you what I'm using and all that stuff, but I don't want to take too long and make this video like an hour long. Nobody wants to sit through that. I'm also super red right now because I just did a really intense leg workout and I almost threw up or passed out or both. I was feeling pretty nauseous and pretty lightheaded, which is not good, but at least I know I pushed myself. There's lots of cars outside, so sorry for all the background noise. Okay, foundation is done. Now I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the color Light Medium Sand, and I used to use a beauty blender, but like I go back and forth between using brushes and beauty blenders all the time. Sometimes, I don't know, I just like get in my moods for using one or the other. But lately I've been using this Real Techniques brush with it and then setting it with this as well. Probably not the smartest idea, but who cares, not me. I'm gonna put too much here, but yeah, so I'll do the under eyes after because mine tend to crease a lot. I don't like it sitting there for a while.
Knockout. You win.
Whoa. Alright, now to set it with my Laura Mercier setting powder. This is my go-to all the time, ever since I got it the first time. I don't really bake anymore because I noticed that my under eyes always looked super dry. So now I just kind of like dust the powder under there. I don't know though, I haven't ever figured out how to get it from creasing completely. I feel like for a while it didn't, and then it started creasing again, so maybe it's just me. It probably is just me, let's be honest. Alright, next I'm gonna do my bronzer because that's what I'm doing next. I'm going to use the Park Avenue Princess bronzer by, is this by Too Faced? Tarte? It's Tarte. I had to Google it. Oh my god, I'm dumb. It says it right there. You're not dumb, Alyssa, you're just a little special sometimes. I think this is an F40 brush by Sigma. It's like so old that the name of it is rubbed off right there. So normally I just do a 3 and an E. I'm not the best at applying it though, so don't come for me. Right here a little bit. I like to try and reshape my chin sometimes, even though I should love myself how I am. It's just a little on the thick side. Wide, I should say, not thick like that, but like wide. I'm not good at nose contour. I'm gonna attempt it. I have a deviated septum, and so like my nose does a weird thing and it makes it hard to contour like right here. It is what it is, it's my face. Now I'm going to use this Tarte blush palette that I've had for forever. I've shown this before in a video, but I like to use these three colors and I barely tap it into them and then apply it. A little goes a long way. And this is the Real Techniques blush brush. I don't think it has a special name. Next, highlight. This Laura Geller highlighter is my favorite. It's the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator and the color is Gilded Honey. This is the Morphe and Jeffree Star JS4 brush. Made for highlighter and I love it. Whoa. See? Do you see why I love this combo? Now just down the bridge of my nose. I never know when to do a highlight on my chin. I don't want to look sweaty, so I don't usually do it, but I did it for fun today. I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is in the color Espresso. Now for the eyeshadow, and it looks really natural. It looks like she's almost not even wearing any, or if she is, it's very close to her skin tone. This look is definitely all about the eyeliner. I'll use my MAC Selena palette that I just did a video on recently. First I'm going to use this shade right here, the lightest one, and just blend that all over. I always like to do this because it makes it a lot easier to blend out any other shadows. Okay, now I'm gonna use the one under it. It's this orangish tan color. I'm gonna do a wing shape. I've never done an eyeliner cut crease, so I'm kind of nervous. Actually, I did do it one time. I did Barbie makeup for Halloween one year. That was 2 years ago. And it wasn't that bad, but it wasn't this intense. I'm gonna use a flat brush to put that on my lid. It does look a tiny bit brighter in her inner corners, so I am gonna highlight right there using the same highlighter. I'm using the Sigma pencil brush. This is the E30. Love this one for inner corner highlight. Now I'm gonna do my winged liner, the black part, and I'm using the Inglot gel liner and my Sigma eyeliner angled brush, whatever this one's called. Her liner is really skinny. It's hard to see like everything else. Normally her winged liner is super bold and thick, but it looks like she toned it down a little bit to really let the white liner be the focus. And it does go all the way into the inner corner. All right, that is done. This is the stressful part. I just got this liner. It's the ColourPop BFF liquid liner. This is in white, but the color is called Graceland. Almost like Grayson. It was meant to be. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I need to like balance my arm on my leg. I'm so shaky since I worked out. Here's what I'm gonna do. This eye I'll do on camera. This eye I'll do off camera because it's gonna be the same thing, but for whatever reason it's easier for me to do it on this eye right now. It goes all the way to her inner corner. This part gets pretty close to her brow, then it swoops down to meet this. I found another picture that looks like it kind of extends out, so I'm gonna do that. I feel like I made my black line too thick. I have the basic outline now. I'm just gonna clean it up in the mirror so that it can look nice. Just go over it so everything is nice and even, and obviously like fix the jagged line. but it's hard to do it in this little mirror, so I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I'll do this side and come back and show you the rest. Okay, I know this looks crazy, but it's not done, so let's just trust that it's gonna turn out okay. I'm gonna line my waterline with the Makeup Forever eye pencil. This is my favorite. It stays on forever. The eyeliner is like very kind of hard to get perfectly. Once it dries and you try and go over it to make it more opaque, it gets kind of like it comes off in some areas and other areas it doesn't. So it was giving me problems. So I'm just gonna like pretend that it looks even. I'm gonna put on mascara. I'm gonna curl them and then use the Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof in Black is Black by L'Oreal. I always talk about how that's my go-to mascara, and I'm definitely gonna put it on my bottom lashes as well because they're white from the eyeliner, so it looks crazy. I'm gonna put on these Ardell lashes. They're the Studio Effects Demi Wispies. While the glue for my eyelashes dries, I'm gonna line my lips. I already started and I forgot I wasn't recording. The main difference right now, I think, is that I did put on bottom mascara because I thought it would make it look better, and I realized that she doesn't really have any on. At least that's what it looks like. So the white shows through as almost a solid line on hers instead of like having eyelashes showing over it. I don't know if I can fix that, but I'm gonna move on to the lips. This is the Kylie Jenner Coconut Lip Liner. I use this one all the time. Now I'm gonna use the Selena MAC Collab lipstick. This is the nude color. This is my favorite, called Selena Vive. Fancy. I obviously don't have the same exact makeup as her. I don't know what she used. So I'm just doing my best, but now I'm gonna use a Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. This is a very glossy gloss, and her lips look very glossy, so I think that'll help it all look more similar to her. Her hair is interesting in this. I really like it, but it is not like super straight. It's not super wavy. Sorry, I'm looking at the pictures over here. It has like a loose wave to it, and it's down, which is awesome. She doesn't leave her hair down a lot. So I'm gonna show you how I am gonna try and recreate this using some of my favorite products. Let's get started. First, brush out your hair. Make sure there are not a ton of tangles in it. And then I'm gonna very lightly spray some of this Rock Your Hair moringa, whatever that word is, I'm sorry. Dry oil mist. This is best for like dry curly hair, more coarse hair, and mine is not dry. My roots get oily pretty fast, but it is good for a heat protectant and for making it not frizzy, smooth, and shiny. The bottle says defrizz, smooth, shine, color, and thermal protectant. I'm gonna very lightly. It's just the ends of my hair. This would be a lot easier if I was in the mirror. I'm gonna use my Rock Your Hair flat iron today. This thing is awesome. First of all, look at the color. It's really cute, super bright. It has different heat settings, unlike my Chi straightener, which I do really like, but I can't control how hot it is. While that's heating up, I'll just part my hair, section it. So I'll get a section of hair. This is how wide I'm gonna make mine. I'm gonna go like this, and then switch and turn it this way. My hair is like super long. I just lowered it a little bit because it looks like it's getting steamy. I think that's just a product on it though, because I did try this earlier on the same heat setting and it wasn't doing that. I'm used to her being so perfect looking, so I like the messier look. See, it's kind of just like a loose wave. I'm gonna let down the next section of my hair, do that, and then once I get to the top and the front pieces, I'll show you. My hair smells so good from these products, by the way. I've been using the shampoo and conditioner, leave-in conditioner, dry shampoo, all of their products lately, and I am so in love. They all smell amazing. My hair has been so healthy. Love the messiness of this hairstyle. It makes it go so much faster. Okay, as you can see, it's not super wavy. My hair is so long, so it took like 10 minutes. That's not that long. If your hair is shorter than this, then it would probably be really, really quick. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of this hairspray. It's the volumizing hairspray by Rock Your Hair, of course. Just gonna spray a little. I want it to have that flow. Okay, I forgot to tell you this in the video, so I'm filming from my phone now. But if you guys want any of these Rock Your Hair products or anything else that's listed on their website, I do have a 30% off code for you. It's Alyssa30. I'll also put it in the description down below so that you can see that. But another cool thing that you can do is join my team if you want to become an ambassador for Rock Your Hair. You can sell the products and it's fun, and you can put in as much work as you'd like to. It's a really cool way to make money right now while everyone is stuck at home. You get some awesome products in the process, so you can do things like this and test things out, things that you might not have ever tried before. Definitely message me on Instagram or Twitter if you're interested in learning more about it. My main Instagram is the best one to message me at. It's AlyssaLuceroXO, but that is also in the description. But yeah, that's all I had to say. Okay. And this is the finished look. I know this is obviously not an everyday look. For some people it might be, and that's pretty awesome. Like, I might feel a little bit weird going out like this, but I love it for this video. I had so much fun recreating this. As soon as I watched the video this morning, I was like, I need to do that. And I was on a mission to make it happen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any other looks that you want me to recreate, any ideas that you may have for me, leave them down below in the comments and I would be happy to try and make as many videos as I can for you guys. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already and become a part of my family. We're growing and it makes me so happy. Stay safe and stay healthy. I love you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!